everyone, students in Makassar State University of Geography Education Bilingual Program. Now we are in Bolu Market. As we know, Bolu and Makale Market trace of culture and civilization in Toraja Traditional Market. Traditional market function not only as means of sale and exchange, but in fact have many other important roles. Bolu Market and the Makale Market are the two largest markets in Tanah Toraja, South Sulawesi, and clearly reflect the culture and civilization of the Torajan people and the surrounding communities. But before learning about the market themselves, one must first be familiar with the history and rules of the market, as well as their relation to the Torajan society. In the past, slave, firearms, and coffee were some of the main commodities in Torajan trading system. In the 17th century, Toraja had become part of the global trading system to trade slaves that were being sent to Siam. In the middle of 19th century, with coffee and firearms being added into the goods to be traded, the trading increased rapidly. Coffee and slaves were exported from Toraja, while guns and fabric were brought into Toraja. Although Toraja landscapes are mountains and similar in sensibility, this is not cause a barrier to its position in the global trade. During that time, the market which were run by the various ethnic groups throughout Toraja despite being often at war with each other. The large market in Toraja at the time were the Kalambe Market, as we know as Bolu Market, and Rantepao Market, known as the Rantepao Morning Market. Bolu Market is located in Rantepao, the tourist center of Toraja, and is a popular tourist attraction and an interesting place to visit. As scheduled, the market only opens once in a 6 days and is the main sales center for buffalo as well as pig. Vegetable, fruit, coffee, and the other food products can also be found in this market. One market day, the streets of the Bolu are bursting with the local people buying and selling, as well as foreign and domestic tourists who come to watch the show. The number of buffalo sold can reach up to 500, especially during the time of ceremonies. The price of buffalo cover a wide range depending on color, pattern, and size. And a small black buffalo, which costs approximately 5 million rupiahs, while a large one of the same color can be sold for 10 to 15 million rupiah. The terong bonga or spot buffalo, which are considered superior, can be sold for 10 of millions of rupiahs, while the very rare albino buffalo can reach a selling price of even hundreds of millions. If buffalo are the main commodities sold in Bolu, the equivalent in Makale Market would be pig. Makale Market is housed in a block approximately 15 times to 20 meters and is often referred to as the swine market. The market is divided into 3 different sections, one for live pigs, another for live adult pigs, and another for pork. Toraja pigs are kept in rice sacks, only open for prospective buyers to take a peek, while adult pigs are usually tied to a bamboo post in the main hall. Pigs are usually purchased to be reared and bred. The price on pigs start around 500 until 600 for a pig, while adult cost between 3 until 9 million rupiah. Though some can be sold for 10 of million, should their weight be changed rifle that of a buffalo. Unlike the buffalo, the black pig is more expensive than the albino or spot pig. Like the other market, Makale is open only once in 6 days. Although the majority of Toraja population are Christian, most still adhere to the teaching of animism, giving animal an extremely important role in Torajan culture. Buffalo are a requirement that must be met in any traditional ceremony, especially funeral, as it is believed that buffalo, when slaughtered, act as a vehicle for the spirit or the deceased to reach nirvana. Buffalo and pig also function as a status symbol. The higher the position of the family organizing the ceremony, the more buffalo must be slaughtered. For middle-class family, 8 buffalo and 50 pigs are the mandatory number that must be missed when performing a traditional funeral. For nobility, as many as 20 until 100 buffalo may be slaughtered. Though countless things have changed over the century, some things remain the same in Toraja. The very existence of market is deeply integrated with their culture and tradition, and market days form a part of the heritage of Toraja society that can never be separated. That's all, and don't forget to explore other Toraja magical heritage.
Kalau yang putih itu apa? Yang mana, Pak? Yang putih. Ada.